Okay, so my partner puts his fist out, takes a nice strong stance. His elbow is at the lowest point of this triangle, so the triangle is pointing straight down. I press into his base and feel his feet, so he needs to stretch into me with enough tension in his fist and body so that I can put the counter force into his front or his back foot, depending on which mechanical model you want to use. Once we're at this point, we did the exercise of crossing the joints. So I grab the fist and I cross the wrist, and then I go to the elbow, cross the elbow, and when I'm crossing, I pluck with one side and push with the other. So I'm doing this type of an action. This part is pulling and that part is pushing. So I get a proper crossing of the elbow. And then I do the same on the shoulder, where I pluck one side of the shoulder and push into the other side, pluck the other side of the shoulder, push into the other side. So there's a push-pull effect. And you work right down your partner's body. Now what we do is we take that same push and pull and we touch our partner's bridge as they move in, and we use that to break their structure. So on the last exercise, we're using it for our partner to identify any weak points in their structure. Now let's say I touch a scapula, I pull one side and push on the other, I've got a force pulling his spine out of alignment. If he pushes towards me, I've got a center, a big gap forms. So I can go down onto his hip, pull this side of his hip, push on the other side of the hip, and then issue. So this pulling and pushing, you can make these two forces meet at any point and then do this through the facial web. So if, let's say, I go up into his neck, I pull on one side and push on the other side, I can catch and create a gap in his neck. Go right down onto his feet, to his ankles, rotate the inside of the ankle in and then the outside and disrupt the ankle. So you can use this at any point in the body. When you touch your partner's bridge and touch their base, now he had a rising up here. So as soon as I feel that, I want to pluck, stretch, and open that space up in his neck. If he dropped that down and I'm touching in, now there's a holding there. So I'd pull it with one side and open the gin up on the other side into that gap. So this becomes a listening exercise that extends from helping your partner with their structure to developing a type of intercepting energy where you can break structure and bounce your partner. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.